Hi, my name is Ken from Joon.co.ke, and on today's video I will be showing you guys a new strategy that you can use as a beginner in Quotex to make money trading. This is a beginner friendly trading strategy, but it can also work with experienced traders. So if you are an experienced trader and you'd like to also learn about this new strategy, keep watching this video to the end. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there's a link on the description of this video. Kindly click on it and create your new account. Creating a new account with the link on the description of this video comes with various benefits, as you can use our promo code to get up to 50% deposit bonus whenever you make a deposit. You will also get 10,000 in your demo account for free, which you can use for practice. And best of all, you get to use our signals tool for free. Without wasting too much time, let's get started. So what is the Bladerunner trading strategy? The Bladerunner trading strategy is a fixed time trading strategy that involves the use of exponential moving average, better known as EMA, for period 20. The EMA acts as a blade cutting through price as it moves in order to settle on either the upward trend or the downward trend bias. This is what earns the strategy the name Bladerunner, for cutting through the price as it moves along. The manner in which the exponential moving average is used in this strategy makes it look like a moving support or resistance level. This is because a complete signal is generated only after successful retesting of the exponential moving average with period 20. Come to think of it, the Bladerunner trading strategy is actually one of the best binary options trading strategies for beginners, as it is applicable on any time frame and any asset which a trader chooses to trade on. Before we go so deep in this, let us look at the principles behind this simple trading strategy. The first consideration for the application of the Bladerunner trading strategy is that the price must have broken out of a certain range, or if not so, it must be trending. After identifying a trend, you need to observe how price behaves with respect to EMA 20. If the price is trending above EMA 20, then you can partly resolve to an upward bias. The reason we say partly is because there is something more that must happen for us to resolve completely to an upward trend bias. This is when the price drops to hit EMA 20 and bounces back upwards, thus retesting the EMA successfully. The second occurrence that you need to look for is the possibility that price will drop, hit the EMA and break it, closing below the EMA 20. In that case, your upward bias has been breached and you have no choice but to observe for a downward bias when that happens. If the price is trending below EMA 20, then you may partly resolve to a downward bias. You can only confirm that it is truly a downward bias when price rises and hits EMA 20, then bounces back downwards, thus retesting the EMA successfully. Now that we know the principles of the Bladerunner trading strategy, let us look at how we can apply it in Quotex to begin trading with it. You can achieve this by navigating to the indicators tab in Quotex, then scrolling to find moving averages. Under moving averages, choose EMA and change its period to period 20. The EMA will be plotted onto your chart with a visual representation that shows a line cutting through price. How to identify a trend or breakout with this strategy? In order to identify these two, then the price must have broken from a certain range to either trend upwards or downwards. If there is no apparent trend, then ensure that the price is either trending upwards or downwards. If your breakout was upwards and you spotted an uptrend, then look out for price trending above EMA 20. It is the only possible way you can strategize and profit from this strategy. If your breakout was downwards or you identified a downtrend, then watch if you can see the price trending below the EMA 20. If it doesn't, then you must not trade. The fourth occurrence that you must look for before trading with the Bladerunner trading strategy is the EMA 20 retesting. Having the price trending above EMA 20 in an uptrend or below EMA 20 in a downtrend is not reason enough to trade. The EMA must be retested successfully as the moving support or resistance so that you can trade. I guess what I'm trying to say is that you shouldn't trade upwards based on just a break that you've seen in the market. Wait for price to retest EMA 20 before you can choose a bias. Now, to place a trade, ask yourself this simple question. Was your EMA successfully retested on an uptrend? Then go ahead and enter a buy position. Successful retesting means that price will keep moving upwards for some time. If your EMA was successfully retested on a downtrend, then you can enter a sell position. It means price will continue falling for some time. Now that we have the principles of this trading strategy, let's begin trading with it to see if it is profitable or not. So this is the USD BRL OTC pair. It has a rate of return of 76%. And if you look at this point here, I've used two horizontal lines to pick the range that was in this market. That range has been broken out of, and if you look at price with the EMA 20, it has gone back to retest the EMA 20 once, which means that we are now in a downtrend and we can begin trading downward. So I'll place my first trade with $100 and wait for price to react in 1 minute. For my next trade, I can do $51 to double up on that. $51 double up. So I have two open positions in the market, both downtrends, and the strategy that we are using is the Bladerunner Trading Strategy. Remember, it only uses the EMA and it is a beginner friendly trading strategy which anyone can use. All you need to do is to add EMA 20 to the chart and look at how price interacts with it. If the EMA is above price, then that is a downtrend. If the EMA is below price, then that is an uptrend. Okay, so before you trade, you need to look for breakouts. We've seen a breakout here, we've seen a retest of that breakout here, and if we've traded downwards, you've seen our first trade return with profits. This is the second trade that we are waiting for, and it closes in a few seconds. It has also closed in profits, and just like that, we've made $116 from that strategy. The strategy is very simple. You only need to add EMA 20 to the chart and follow all the principles that we've talked about. For those who don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Click on it to create your account. If you've already created an account, also make sure you give us a thumbs up so that this video can be shared to as many people as possible looking for strategies to use in Quotex or on any other binary options trading platform. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.